guys, what's going on? As you can tell, we're making banana muffins. So here you see I have some really kind of dodgy looking little banana, just tearing it up. That's why I have a mixer, because it squishes everything for me. 2 bananas. You can make it banana-y-er if you want, but that, will just make your batter a little more wet. Throw the strings in there too. Who cares? Sorry about the mess in my kitchen and the dirty bowl and bacon here, people. 1 teaspoon, you can see here, vanilla. 2 teaspoons, vanilla. Just drop that on in there. What we're doing is basically just adding all of our wet ingredients together. So we've got our banana, we've got our vanilla, we got our eggs. There's going to be 2 of them. There's the first one, and there's his twin. Right here. Ta-da! Everybody in the pool. Here we go. You can see our fine filming skills here. High quality crap here. Ground cinnamon. I like to add this in with the wet stuff just because it kind of blends a little better. I don't know how much I'm adding. Yeah, to taste. If you like cinnamon, go for it. Measuring cups. That's 1 cup. 1 cup. And in the background here, apparently I decided to film absolutely everything. I got the sugar here, and you'll see I'm kind of having a little bit of a difficult time. See, sugar. It's coming out in giant rocks. You'll see me put the rocks down. And then I was just deciding, no, yeah, see, another sugar rock. And I was like, you know what? To heck with it. I'm just going to measure out a cup of sugar, rocks and all. The beater will beat it up for me. That's what it's for. Don't put the rocks away. Back in the bag. All right. Playing with my measuring cup. Next on the baking agenda, we have a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Nothing fancy, nothing amazing, just boring, dull vegetable oil. Go ahead and add that in with the wet ingredients. Bonk. This is my new mixer. I love it. I need to get like a cool sticker or something to put on the top there because I'm not very excited to look at it. Not really. That's okay. Watch the blend. Ooh. Oh. We're blending. It's basically just kind of mush everything together, let it blend for, about a minute or so, just to conglomerate all of your wet ingredients. And, while that's working, put your stuff away. Stuff that you've already used, go ahead and clean up your mess. Sorry about the countertop. I made coffee earlier and made a mess. Alright, so now that we have that kind of all blended together, sticky, we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. And that's a 1 cup measure, again. 1 cup of your finest all-purpose flour. And just sprinkle that in there. When you're measuring flour, spoon it in the measuring cup and level it off with a knife. That way you make sure that you get the best measurements. Next, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Sorry everything's backwards, but I was using my front-facing camera. So you're going to see me edit that baking soda here in a minute. Salt. Salt, we're going to use a 1/2 of a teaspoon. You don't need much, but it does bring out the sweetness in the muffins. So make sure that you add your salt. No pepper. There's the other half teaspoon of baking soda because I forgot. So you're going to need a total of 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of salt. Once all your dry ingredients are in there, go ahead, start blending it back up. And don't do this. Do not, don't do this. This is stupid. Don't try to scrape the sides of the bowl with the blender going. It's absolutely ridiculous of me. But I see the error of my ways here in just a second. And yeah, there she goes. She's like, you know what? Probably not smart yet. So scrape the bottom or the sides of your bowl around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. Walnuts. So it's kind of to taste on the walnuts. It depends on how nutty you want your walnuts. I normally use about a half cup. So take your walnuts. Everybody squish, squish, squish. Squish your nuts. Sorry, guys. So more nuts side to side. Nuts. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Walnut sprinkling time. And then you're going to mix everything together until it is just combined. You don't want to overwork it because then you will have tough, dense muffins. And nobody likes a tough, dense muffin. Nope. So that's it. See? I'm telling you. No mas. Get your beater out of there. Scrape it down. I wouldn't suggest licking the beater simply because there's raw eggs in there. You can if you want to. It's your doctor's visit. I am not responsible for copays. So what you want to do is, even though you just blended it, go ahead and mix it just a tiny bit. Make sure you get all of those little flour flakes, anything off the bottom of the bowls. You know, just got a divot in the bottom of the bowls. There you go. Muffins. Line your muffin tins. Makes things so much easier. And it's not just because I hate doing dishes. It just makes it look nicer. So here we are. We're cupping muffins. Putting the cups in. This is driving my OCD nuts that I went in such a weird pattern. Oh no! I'm out of cups. What do I do? I have 4 more. Ah! Cooking spray. I'll use that. Spray, 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 spray. Oh no! I'm out of cooking spray. But wait, we have an alternative. Like my scuffies. Fancy, aren't they? Yep. Oil. Just a little bit. Don't need much. Just enough to grease your cup. To moisten your tin. That's right. So, unless you want to get out the brush, use your finger. Always wash your hands, people. I don't have to tell you that. We're all adults here. But wash your damn hands. So once you get that all done, everything's greased up, I'm going over, washing my hands. That's right. So what we're going to do now is we are going to get a cookie scoop. Just a standard cookie scoop. You know, nothing massive, nothing major. I think I picked mine up at the Dollar Tree or $1.25 shrub, whatever you want to call it. And basically, fill your cups. 1 scoop out of a standard cookie scoop fills up the muffins perfectly. And that way you also don't make a big old mess all over your muffin tin. You're not dribbling stuff all over the place and, you know, making a big mess that you have to clean up later. So we're filling our muffins. Muffin filling. Look at us fill. Isn't it exciting? My God. Giving you some ASMR. All right. And as you can see, this recipe makes 12 standard size muffins, which is normally enough for most people, but if you live in my house, yeah, no, they'll be gone in a couple hours. And if you have a little bit of dough left over after you fill all your cups, just go into the cups that look a little bit, skinny, and just fill them in, making sure that you evenly distribute your batter. That's why I do all 12 cups first and then go back in. It's because I want to make sure that I have everybody all the same. Splat. So once you get all your muffin cups filled, we gonna bake them. Here I am trying to show you 350 with my ancient oven. See? It's an oven. Put your muffins in. You're gonna do great. 22 minutes. And after 22 minutes, oh my gravy gracious. Those are some yummy looking muffins. You're going to set them out to cool. Just cool them in the pan for about 5 minutes or so. And just kind of let them do their thing. Then what you're going to do, choose your weapon. What am I going to use? Yes, a bamboo skewer. High tech, people. High tech. That's right. So loosen the muffins around the cups, especially the ones that aren't in cups. 1, 2, and third time's a charm, getting the muffin out. Doing this one-handed, give me some grace. So, get all your muffins out of the cups and put them on your cooling rack. Now this little guy, last one. This little guy is one of the olive oil ones. Oh. Boo. He kind of stuck a little, but that's okay. We'll just consider him our stunt muffin. Taking one for the muffin team. Yeah, it stuck a little bit, but hey, who cares? So just, put it back together. What are you going to do? Excuse me. It's okay, little muffin. We still love you. And look at that, folks. Beautiful, wonderful, savory and sweet banana muffins. And a snack for me. Hot dog. All good? All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Promise I'll be back with more. Take care, everybody.